Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my goal with this short video is to show you how you can do a voiceover recording and edit it or add some effects in Audacity. If I'm achieving this goal and you learn something in the short tutorial, please like this video and subscribe. So let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do to record a video, first you can hear the levels. When you're talking right now, you can hear the levels. If you want, you can also hear the playback meter if you want to. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make sure I set up the audio. So I'll set up the audio here. We can see a playback device. I'm gonna use this one, headset. Recording device, I'll use this one, Samsung Q2U. And now to start recording, I just have to click on here, record, or you can also use the shortcut. As you can see, when I hover over it, I record R and then stop. You can click on here, or pause, you can press on your keyboard P. Now I'm just gonna click on stop, and now I stop the audio. As you can see, also I can hear the audio. If you want to split the audio, you can right click and then split clip. If you want to remove a portion, which is something that I do the most, let's say I want to remove this portion now, and now I can also zoom if I want. I can also zoom, and then I can press delete on your keyboard. You can also Command Z to undo, or if you want, you can press Command X to cut, and you can also press here just split clip, but we don't want to split the clip. Now, anyways, now what I'm gonna do now, after we actually have the audio, we can actually go here and add some effects. We can go and add some normalizer. We'll normalize the audio so it's equal everywhere. Actually, make sure you select your audio, not only a portion, because this will affect only a portion, if not, but if you select the entire audio track, will actually affect all your track. So we can go here, normalize. We can also compress, add some compression. So the video now, if it's too loud, we can also change pitch. If you want to change your pitch to sound like a demon or something like that, you can preview. That's too much. Let's go to about 20 or 19. Preview.
Record, or you can also use the shortcut.
If you want to sound like pitchy, high pitch. Yeah, pretty nice. It's something that you're looking for that can be helpful. Fading, you can add change pitch, delay, you can add distortion. Here usually I use a lot the volume and compression when I use Audacity. Amplify, you can amplify. You can also let's say I add a split here. So let's add a split here, and then if you select your clip, you can actually join clips. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care. And also, by the way, I forgot to show you, and if you want now, you can export your audio. So you just need to go to export audio, you click on this, and then you select you name the file, you just browse to it just to specify exactly where you want to save your audio track. Format, I can select, I can change this to MP file or whatever file you want from here, and then I usually go with stereo or mono stereo, depends now, just a map. We can also go with that, and then you click on export. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Also, when you're recording here, you can select here the host, the file, and the recording. You can change from mono to stereo if you want to record in stereo. Maybe that can be helpful.